Hello guys! Si Darren ito from Calgary and my husband Brian. So we're from Calgary but we're going to Edmonton to check one of our properties kasi may nag-move out na. So time check now is 5:06 at saka -19. So life as a landlord dito sa Canada, you know. So we have to go there kahit na -19. Yeah, out na sila. We have to check, you know, lahat-lahat to make sure everything's doing well. Yeah.
Everything ready na for the next tenant.
Yeah.
Kailangan may ipaayos or pinturahan. Yeah, it's 3 hours drive galing Calgary, yung Edmonton. Iyan ang namin, yung bahay na yan pang 1, 2, 3. Pang tatlo namin na rental property. Hindi kasali yung primary residence namin.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin mamaya doon.
Lemongrass.
Edmonton.
Yep. We're gonna eat here.
Yes, nagabihan na tayo sa Edmonton. Kain na lang muna tapos check-in sa hotel.
Why lemongrass?
Paborito natin, di ba? Dila, paborito nila.
Dalawa.
Paborito niyo lemongrass?
Yes.
Paborito ninyo? Kaberidwan? Dito tayo kakain. We eat here, yeah? Okay.
Now,
Let's go! Salad roll. Let's try.
I wanted the skinny one that I bought. Now, you ate it. Lucky me. Oh, you.
Yummy, good job.
Lucky us.
This is so yummy.
Yan na sila, ma'am. Plastic lang. Plastic siya pala eh. 16 lang.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in the hot room.
Your wrap. Wrap. You wrap.
You go? There is go.
Ay, doon na rin anak mamay. Uy, baka. Uy.
What did they say?
Good morning. Naka-check out na kami. So, andito tayo. Bisitahin natin yung bahay na nag-move out na sila. Let's go and check. Tara. Yeah, this is one of our properties here sa Edmonton. Available for rent. There you go. Dito na tayo sa ating rental property. Yan ang kanilang sala, dining area. Papunta tayo ngayon sa kusina. Ayan. Yan. Tanggalin natin yung white tsaka black cabinet para maluwag. Yan ang pantry at storage. Dito naman yung isang door papunta sa labas, sa likod, at yan ang washroom. Now we go down. Okay, dyan pwedeng maging sala ulit and another storage. But since malaki, nilagyan na lang ng pwedeng mahigaan. Okay, papunta tayo sa washer dryer ngayon. There you go. At storage yan. Ngayon, papunta naman tayo sa taas from the main level. Bungad pa lang, makita mo ang full bathroom. Yes, yan. Dyan agad. Oh, yeah. Tapos, punta na tayo sa mga bedrooms. Unang bedroom, yan. May closet. Malaki naman siya kasi may ilalagay ka namang queen bed at saka malaking study table. Another room, yan. A standard size lang siya. May closet at saka tingnan mo, malaki din naman. At ito ngayon ang last bedroom, sing laki nung una. Yan, malaki. Tapos, maluwag. Yes. Sa labas, makikita mo from your left side, all the Filipino restaurants like Tapsilog. Sa right side, Southgate Mall at Southgate C-Train. 10 minutes walk lang from this property. So whoever is looking for a rent here sa Edmonton, let us know. Contact us please. Pababa na tayo. Makikita mo si Habi super busy. So ito lang ang ating rental property na townhouse dito sa Edmonton. Like and subscribe. See you guys later sa next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.